Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can watch your favorite YouTube content in full HD, 2K or even 4K in your smartphone, despite the fact that YouTube app doesn't support those higher resolution in most of the smartphones. Now to have that you need a free and open source application called NewPipe. To get it, open your browser and search for NewPipe. Download and install it in your device. I already installed it in my device and I will take you through the app. If you search for a 4K video in that app, it too will show only up to 1080p. To get the full quality content, you need to go to the settings and in there click on video and audio sections, and there show higher resolutions. Just toggle it. If you want, you could also change the default resolution and default pop-up resolution too. Now go back to the previous video and refresh it. Now you will be able to watch it in any resolution in which the video was uploaded to YouTube. If you want your subscription package, that is all the channel you subscribe in original YouTube app, to get it in this app, you could do that too. I will show you how you can do that in my next video. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful and have a nice day.